Welcome to MarineMax of Minnesota. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I'm going to walk you through today a Premier. This is the 2024 Premier 230 Sunsation. For 2024, Premier has totally redesigned the Sunsation model lineup. So a lot of cool things that they changed. We're going to walk you through a bunch of those things. So let's take a look at the outside first, obviously. So we're going to walk down here. We did the nice rich dark blue with the black accent. Looks really mean. Really like that color. And then as we come to the back here, we got the nice big tow bar. So any sort of water sports that you're going to be doing, you got the nice big tow bar. Then also in the back here, we do have the Mercury. So this is a Mercury 4-stroke. So super quiet, super efficient. There's a 150 horsepower engine. So plenty of power to get you across the lake or do any sort of water sports. That's pretty much it here at the back. There's a lot to see on the interior, so join me aboard. All right, welcome aboard this 2024 230 Sunsation. Like I mentioned, so the Sunsation got a full redesign, and so we'll start back here. So one of the things that they've made standard now is all the biminis are going to be electric. So this is obviously electric bimini. This is in the down position. You hit a button up on the helm and that will open it up. So that's kind of nice to have. Now back into here, the layout hasn't really changed. This is still kind of their rear lounging layout. You have two backrests. Somebody can be sitting facing aft, and then you can have people facing forward. And then both of these will move. So you can adjust them back this way. You can adjust this one. You can fold them all the way down, and it can be just a massive bed. And back in here too, we still have nice cup holders. We got some storage on that side. So great place to lounge around, hang out on a nice sunny day. Let's move up to the helm area. So we got the two captain's chairs side by side. They both will swivel. They'll go back and forth. They got armrests that flip back and forth. So really nice to have there. All of the Sensations are going to have the raised helm, which is really helpful if you got some people up in front of you. You can kind of get up and above on them. So like I said, full redesign. So we got a redesigned helm right here. I got a little bit of storage up underneath here. I've got just some basic gauges right in here. You can get an option for a Simrad or something else that digital that you want to put into here. This particular model, we just got the nice gauges here. We do have some lighting within the boat. Those are all in the speakers, so you can adjust that lighting right here at the helm. And then speaking of the speakers, we have the Clarion stereo system. So I got a couple speakers in the bow. I got a speaker down over here, back here, and then a couple in the back of the boat as well. So obviously you have your Mercury throttle right here with the 150 horsepower engine in the back. And then something that they really added that I really like is a couple garbage cans right here. So you just got to pull this open. Right down over here, I got two garbage cans. And then right above that is just some storage for some little items. And it is a lockable storage as well. Big change for Premier in this model is the storage in the floor. So they've made this a bunch wider. Before it was probably about this big. Now it's this big. And gives you a lot bigger opening to fit different things down into here, and it goes way back into there, so you got tons of storage to play with when you're out there. This is kind of new right in here, so you can open this up. I got another trash can, and then my paper towel roll holder is right in there as well. That just shuts right there. And then in the bow, one of the big changes is the seats themselves. They are on a hinge system now, just like this. Before they used to kind of drop down, but you have storage underneath all these seats here. And then they made this a lot deeper because everybody has certain size different cups that they have. So now I have a lot deeper and it's pushed back. And then I do have some USB and plugs right in here for any sort of phone or a device that you would want. So lots of nice changes for 2024 in the Sensations. Really excited about this model. Again, this is a 2024. It is a 23-foot Sunsation. It's here in Minnesota, so if you want to stop on by, right now it's at our Rogers location. Come on by. We'd love to show it to you. And if you want to set up an appointment, just give us a call. We can set that up. As always, please click the like button for these videos and click to subscribe to see every video we're putting out every day. Thank you.